12 Easy Habits for a Clean Home. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the state of your home, or wished your space stayed tidier without feeling like you're constantly cleaning, this one's for you. You see, keeping your home clean doesn't have to be exhausting. It's all about forming simple, practical habits that keep things tidy with minimal effort. So if you want to know how to stay ahead of the mess, keep watching. Here are some easy habits that will help keep your space tidy, organized, and stress-free. Let's get right to it. Number 1. Take your shoes off at the door. First things first, take your shoes off when you walk in the door. It's such a simple habit, but it keeps a ton of dirt, bacteria, and dust from being tracked all over the house. I mean, think about all the places your shoes have been. Gross, right? Set up a designated spot by the entrance for shoes, like a small shoe rack or a basket. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner your floors stay when you stop bringing the outside world inside. Just keep a pair of cozy indoor slippers nearby. Number 2. Deal with mail immediately. Mail is sneaky. One minute it's just a couple of letters, and the next you've got a paper avalanche taking over your counter. The fix? Handle it as soon as you bring it in. Toss junk mail immediately, file important papers, and keep bills in a dedicated spot. You should also set up autopay for anything you can to cut down on the paper trail even more. Number 3. Make the bed every morning. I know, making your bed might seem pointless, especially if no one's going to see it but you. But trust me, this simple habit makes your whole room feel more put together, and it takes only a minute or two. Plus, starting your day with a small win like this can create positive momentum, motivating you to tackle more throughout the day. Number 4. Put things away as you go. Leaving things out is how clutter sneaks up on you. A coffee mug left on the counter, a jacket tossed over a chair, or a receipt dropped on the table. It all starts small, but it builds up fast. When you get in the habit of putting things away immediately, clutter doesn't even have a chance to form. Number 5. Clean as you cook. Cooking a delicious meal? Awesome! Staring at the mess afterward? Not so much. The solution? Clean as you cook. When you're done with a cutting board, rinse it off. Finished with a pan? Wash it while things are simmering. When you stay on top of the mess, you can actually enjoy your meal without dreading the cleanup. And here's another golden rule. Always make sure to wash the dishes before bed. And if you use a dishwasher, empty it first thing in the morning. That way, you start and end your day with a clean kitchen. Number 6. Wipe down surfaces before walking away. This one's simple but so effective. Wipe down surfaces after each task before you walk away. Whether it's the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth, or the kitchen counter after making a snack. A quick wipe down keeps surfaces from getting sticky, greasy, or dirty. Just make sure you're using the right tools for the job. You know, grab a paper towel or use a disinfecting wipe instead of the dish sponge on your counters. This prevents cross-contamination and keeps everything fresher and cleaner. Number 7. Create a place for everything. You've probably heard the saying, a place for everything and everything in its place. Well, it really works. When every item in your home has a designated spot, it's easier to put things away and harder for clutter to build up. Also, whenever you buy something new, consider getting rid of something you no longer use. That way, you avoid accumulating more than you need, and your home stays clutter-free. Number 8. Use baskets or bins. Baskets and bins are lifesavers for storing smaller items that would otherwise make your space look messy. Think remote controls, cords, kids' toys, or even blankets. Instead of having random piles everywhere, toss things into bins for an instant clean look. You can even label them if you're feeling extra organized. Number 9. Stay on top of laundry. If you've ever let laundry pile up until you're down to your last pair of socks, you know the pain. Instead of saving it all for one overwhelming laundry marathon, do smaller loads throughout the week. Whether it's one load every few days or dedicating specific laundry days, it keeps things manageable. And nothing beats the satisfaction of having all your clothes folded and put away. Number 10. Take out the trash regularly. It sounds obvious, but keeping up with your trash is key to a clean home. Overflowing bins can make a room look messy and smell bad too. So make it a habit to take the trash out regularly, especially in high traffic areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Keeping extra trash bags at the bottom of the bin is a clever time saver. That way, you can quickly replace the old bag without hunting for a new one. Number 11. Tidy up before bedtime. A quick 5 to 10 minute tidy up before bed is a game changer. It doesn't have to be perfect, just enough so you wake up to a neat and peaceful space in the morning. Pick up anything that's out of place, fold that throw blanket, and straighten up the pillows. Believe me, it makes a huge difference. Number 12. Adopt the 1-minute rule. The idea is really simple. If a task takes less than a minute, do it immediately instead of putting it off. Think of things like tossing dirty clothes into the hamper, placing an empty water glass in the dishwasher, or wiping crumbs off the counter. These quick tasks barely take any time, but if you wait, they start piling up and become overwhelming. By handling small things in the moment, you create a sense of order without adding to your to-do list later. Bonus tip: keep a cleaning schedule. Create a simple cleaning schedule that works for you. Break it down into weekly, monthly, and seasonal tasks. Weekly could include vacuuming, dusting, and disinfecting surfaces. Monthly might involve things like deep cleaning your appliances or washing throw blankets and cushion covers. Seasonal tasks like decluttering closets or window cleaning can be spread out so they don't feel overwhelming. By spreading tasks out, you avoid burnout and stay ahead of the mess, rather than playing catch-up later. See? Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be exhausting. It's all about building these small habits that become second nature. The more you do them, the less effort it takes, and you'll love how fresh and peaceful your space feels. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.